welcome to my vlog. Yan guys,
Welcome.
nagsiselebrate kami ng Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, buddy.
Right?
Happy Dad's Day.
Yeah, there we go. Let's see. On Father's Day, actually, in the Bible, Jesus says, call no man your father, except for one, which is truly our Father, and that's our Father in heaven. So, I'll celebrate Dad's Day, but Father's Day, I celebrate my father and your father.
Okay.
It's important. You guys stand up for what you believe
Happy
in.
Dad's Day.
Thanks, honey.
Si Happy hindi naniwala ng Father's Day. So Dad's Day.
I celebrate Father's Day, but I say Happy Father's Day in heaven.
Fathers, you are the father, honey.
No, I'm not. I'm a dad.
What
Where
is
are
the
you?
difference, Dad and
Because
Father?
Jesus said, call nobody your father. Why would he say that unless he meant it? That's what I'm going with.
Okay.
I suppose you can rewrite the Bible, you know.
Okay, Happy Dad's Day.
That's better. Thanks, honey. It's special having it with you. You're my buddy. What's up?
You light and
Hey,
blue.
bro.
Happy Father's Day
2024.
2024. Yeah. You wish first that you can handle the 10 kids. Honey, you have 5 kids and you looking for another 5 kids. Now you have 10 kids. But you're okay, you're still strong. Until you have 10 kids.
That's a lot.
Yan guys, si Habi may 5 kids. You have 5 kids already. But you are looking more kids. Now you found. I have 5 kids. So you have.
I have 5 kids.
Now you
I
have
have 10 kids.
10 kids now.
How many grandchildren? Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay, blow and whispers.
Okay, yeah.
So that's.
It definitely don't wish for any more kids. Or they have 10.
Okay, enough the 10, honey. No more kids.
Wow.
Happy Father's Day. More years to
I
come.
changed
in
my
your
mind on my wish. Can I do that?
life.
Change my mind? Come on.
Happy Father's Day! Happy
Yeah,
Father's Day,
Father's Day.
buddy! Happy
Day,
Father's
day,
Day!
You'll get it, you'll get
Stay
it.
strong
Yeah, I will stay strong.
and more patient as a
More
dad.
patience than I already got.
Yan guys.
I have a lot of patience.
Yan. Si Abby. Yan. May 10 anak.
Everybody, happy day.
Happy
Dad's
Father.
Day.
Happy.
Remember, we only have one father.
Okay, Happy
It's always
Dad's
been that
Day.
way.
Happy believe
It always
that
will be that way.
today is Dad's Day,
You
not
can't change
Father's
the
Day.
scriptures.
Okay. Happy Dad's Day, honey.
Thanks.
Yan. Happy Father's Day to
Happy Father's Day to our father.
all
Or
over the world. Sa lahat dyan na ama, Happy Father's Day.
Is that what?
Yan. Happy.
Happy.
Yan guys, ayaw ni Habi marinig yung Father's Day. Kasi
Thanks, guys.
yung father daw na yung nasa taas lang. Yung nagsiselebrate tayo all Dad's Day, not Father's Day. So, yun ang believe
There's only
niya.
one father.
So
Can't change.
thank you so much for watching our video, guys. See you in our next vlog. Bye bye. Love you.
Bye guys.
Happy
Bye,
Father's
guys.
Day.
Hey, don't
Bye.
go. Bye guys.